Enjoy a relaxing walk with me and Gaia. Welcome back to Chrysalis YouTube channel. This is Christopher Dobson. Hope you're having a great morning, a great day, and a great afternoon, whatever it may be for you. It's snowing out here. It's December 18th. Just going for a nice, beautiful, grounding and relaxing nature walk. Hey Gaia, say what's up. Speak. 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 Good girl. Good girl. So just enjoy this beautiful nature walk, grounding down, enjoying the moment, the weather, taking nice, deep, relaxing breaths. Feeling the earth beneath my feet, making sure the body's all good. Blood is flowing. Reggae. Hope you're having a great day. And remember, you aren't your circumstances. Your circumstances don't define you. You are your choices. Every moment you have the choice to choose who you're going to be and how you want to represent yourself in the world. Do you want to be a peaceful person? Do you want to be a angry person? Just take that moment before you make every choice. Take that deep breath. Realize the consequences of what you could do or what could happen because of your choices and who you're going to result, who you're going to be from the result of those choices. I'm trying to make more conscious choices every day, trying to be more aligned with who I truly want to be and how I want to show up in the world. And I just want to share that experience and those thoughts with you. And hopefully it brings you some value. But yeah, snow is beautiful. Snow is snowing. Guys chilling, as she always is. Just taking deep, relaxing breaths deep into the diaphragm, deep into the dantian, calming, relaxing breaths, allowing you to relax all the way down, all the way, so that you're just in the moment and in your body. and feeling that peace and relaxation at every moment can bring with your awareness, if you choose it to be. So, right, Gaia? Good girl. Mm. Peaceful out here. Great way to start the day. Yes, just make wise choices. Think hard before you make your choices. You never know what path they're going to lead you. So just take a moment, breathe, follow your heart, follow your head, but relax. Use the totality, totality of what you are, not just rushing in the moment. Taking a nice, relaxing breath in the moment is a great way to do that. You can visualize yourself in these moments beforehand and see yourself breathing before you make choices. This can also help. What do you like to do? Tell me. I like to practice all types of new relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, qigong, just laying down, breathing, visualizing, nature walks like this. What do you like? Tell me how you like to relax. How do you like to calm down? What brings you peace? What brings you peace? What brings you relaxation? Working out, going for a nice run, a nice jog, a nice conversation with a friend. Any of those things. Down by the river again. Nice out here. Sit down and relax and just be alone with your thoughts. Take the time to regain focus of where you truly want to go and who you truly want to be. Come. It's like Mortal Kombat in here. Nice. Nice out here. Yeah, so take the time to really think over your choices. Or it's like making one choice, one step forward, 10 steps back. So take the time to plan your goals, make sure it's aligned with who you truly are, who you truly want to be. That could have saved me a lot of time in life. Mm. Another Mortal Kombat area. Mm, 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 mm. Good girl. Sit. Paw. Good girl. Some deep breathing. All the way down to the diaphragm. Mm. Concentrating on the bottom of the feet, making sure you can feel the earth beneath you. Supports us with everything. Food, sustenance, circle of life. Reggae. Let's go down here. Nice little bridge. Good girl, guy. Nice and green. Okay. Good girl. Go ahead. Go. Good girl. Go ahead. Nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed that nice, relaxing, grounding walk. Say bye, guys. Speak. 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 Good girl. She says bye. Have a great day. Stay blessed.